Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to delete Google search history on laptop and PC. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to delete Google search history on laptop and PC. Just open your Google Chrome and then click on the three dots on the top right. After that, click on history, and here you can see your search history, and then in the left sidebar click on delete browsing data, and here click browsing history and uncheck cookies and other site data, and uncheck cache images and files. And here you can select the time, for example, all time, last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, or last 4 weeks. After that, click delete data. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to delete Google search history on laptop and PC. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.